All right, this is ISO Circ 4. I think this is the most interesting way, or sorry, feature on this, and I'm going to do this with one sketch. This could be done with two, but I think one is appropriate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here and look at these, and looks like I've got a rectangle of, it's going to make me think about this a lot. Here is 2, the radius is 2, so 2 plus 2 is 4. And then a height of 0.75, 0.75, 1.5 plus 2, so 2.5 by 4. Okay, so I'm going to go in to here. I'm going to pick that face that corresponds with this. And then I'm going to go with a rectangle and then go out here, 2, tall, tab, 4, return. And that looks weird. That's because it is, because it's supposed to be 2 plus 3.5 tall. So that's good to know. There, that's a lot better. Then I'm going to go in here and I'm going to put this line across here, and that's pretty simple. Hit L for line, go across here, and I know that's at 3/4 of an inch. So I'm going to hit D for dimension, and then I'm going to click that, and I'm going to put 0.75, return. All right. Now here, I'm going to put a point in. So I'm going to create a point, and I'm just going to dimension that point. I'm going to make it with a construction line, construction feature. There's my point. Get out of construction. And then I'm going to hit D for dimension there, and that line. And I want that to be 2. All right, yes. Click on it, 2, return. And then how high do I want that? 1.5 inches. Click it here, click it there, bring it out here, click. It is at 1.5. I can just hit return. Sometimes you get lucky. I'm making a circle now, and I'm making that 1 inch in diameter. And right now, it does look like it's asking me for a diameter. So I'm going to hit return. Okay, and now I'm going to hit an arc, and I'm going to do a center point arc. Click it here, and I'm going to hit 2. I'm going to bring it around here, and I'm going to click it there. And that's blue. I think it's because I didn't hit return, but I'm not sure how to do that with an arc. So I'm going to finish the sketch, and then I'm going to push this back. This part's going to disappear, but that's okay. I can get it back. And it's an important feature to know about in Fusion. So I'm going to click on this, E for extrude. I'm going to push this back. That's 3/4 of an inch. Oh, that's because I didn't. Negative 0.75, return. I have no idea what just happened there, but it's good because I can just go in here and I can say edit feature, and I'm going to say negative 0.75. There we go. That looks better. Return. Now, looks like I can't do anything. Well, it's important that I go in here and I say, turn this on. I want to see it. So I turn the eyeball on, and then here I'm going to say extrude. And I want this to be a symmetrical extrusion. I want it to come out this way and go the other way as well. Both the same amount, 3/4 of an inch. So symmetrical on that plane, and then the distance is, okay, return. So that is definitely one way to do this. I can get that sketch off so that looks right. And then I'm going to, I think that's all I need to do. Save that as isoCirc 4 and move on to the next.